This is number 9. It's a little bit weird, so I'm going to try and draw it as best that I can. So let's look at charge A and look at what forces charge A is exerting on the other two charges. So charge A is exerting an attractive force on charge B. Oops. It's exerting a repulsive force on charge B, and it's attracting charge C. Okay, let's look at charge B. I'll draw those forces in green. Charge B is attracting charge C, and it is repelling charge A. Okay, then in blue, there's charge C. It is acting on charge B by attracting it, and it's acting on charge A by attracting it also. So those are all the individual charges acting on each charge A, B, and C. Now let's find the net force, because we're looking for one that's acting along the x-axis. So charge A has one that's kind of down and to the right. Charge C has a net force that's up and to the left. Charge B has a net force that is just to the right, which is along the x-axis. So the answer to this one is B. Hope that helps.